I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Accuracy is non-negotiable. At PD Tech, we ensure your records are IRD ready and perfectly reconciled.
Watch this video to learn how to import fixed assets in Xero. If you have multiple fixed assets you need to create, you can import them to help reduce admin time. In the Fixed Asset Register, click on the Overflow menu, then select Import. Download the CSV template. Then read the tips for importing to help ensure you successfully import the fixed assets. Let's take a quick look at an example CSV template. Each line in the template is an example for adding an asset using each of the depreciation methods. Enter the fixed asset details from your previous asset register. If you're importing assets with depreciation, enter that under the Book, Opening Book, Accumulated Depreciation. Then, delete any lines you don't want to import. Click View Current Asset Types if you need a reminder of the asset type set up in Xero. Once you've prepared and saved the CSV file, select the date format you've used in the CSV file from the date format list. For this example, we'll choose the month, day, year format. Assets that don't use the selected date format in your CSV will fail to import, so it's worth checking the format agrees for all asset rows you'll import. When you're ready, click Select File to choose the import file. Then click Next to import your fixed assets. If all the information is entered correctly, Xero will successfully import all of the assets as draft assets. If the import fails, review the errors, fix them in the template file, and re-upload the file. Click Complete Import to finish importing your fixed assets. You'll need to register the draft assets before you can depreciate them.